Karen Munoz.
Good morning, Chair and Commissioners and Mr. Wood. I'm reading this testimony on behalf of the parents of Genaro Monroy. My name's Karen Munoz, sorry. They signed up too late, so I'm reading it on their behalf. I'm reaching out to you for help in obtaining legal custody of my autistic son. Despite filing numerous complaints with service providers, ombudsmen, IDD organizations, and hospitals, we have been ignored. My son's life has been at risk on 3 separate occasions due to the poor services provided by his group home, and he has been incarcerated twice instead of receiving the care he desperately needs. This situation cannot continue. I urgently request your assistance. My son, Genaro Monroy, is 25 years old and autistic. He currently resides in a group home in Sugar Land, Houston, Texas, under the HCS program. Unfortunately, neither his mother nor I are his legal guardians due to a court ruling. Our experience with the HCS program has been terrifying. And just after 1 month of being placed in a group home in San Antonio, my son almost lost his life twice. In one instance, the staff and police filed charges against him, leading to his incarceration in Bexar County, where he nearly died from a lack of medical attention. In 2023, another instance, he suffered from excessive vomiting caused by overmedication and the neglect of HCS service providers. Despite reaching out to crisis lines and seeking help, my son endured 8 months of severe vomiting that left him on the brink of death. Instead of providing the medical care he needed, the authorities placed him in jail where he remained for 8 months and 19 days until a guardian was assigned by the court. Their son was in Bexar County and Hays County jails, and at separate instances and in both places suffered severe neglect. Throughout this ordeal, I filed multiple complaints with service providers, ombudsmen, IDD organizations, and hospitals, but no one stepped in to help my son. The lack of accountability and oversight within these mental health and disability services is alarming and unjust, as is the medical neglect that he suffered in the jails. I'm requesting a thorough investigation into this matter and appropriate consequences for those responsible for this negligence. This is a deeply unjust and terrifying situation. The HCS program is failing to provide the necessary care for vulnerable individuals like my son. I urgently seek your help in addressing this matter. Sincerely, Mr. Genaro Monroy. Very quickly, the pictures that they have here, the class program photos, you'll see in the comments too, that was before all of these things that have been discussed in this letter, and then this is after. Thank you.
Thank you.